Bonjour friends! Oh my god, today we are gonna go to see Eiffel Tower. It's not gonna be my first time, but I'm really excited and happy to share this moment with you. We got actually the transportation, public transportation, 10 tickets. It was around 19 euro. And the plan for today is to explore Paris together, so keep watching. A few tips: if you're planning to come to Paris and visit Eiffel Tower, you should come early. So I was watching some models and brides. They were here since 7 o'clock. Now there are a few people, but still it's fine, around 9-ish. And I would also suggest you to be careful from some scams, like putting your bracelets for free or taking your photos for free. It's not for free. So plan now is to have some French breakfast, maybe some croissant. I don't know how to pronounce it in French, but yeah, we're gonna have croissants and coffee. So keep watching. And if you're new in my channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Let me know, what do you think of Paris? Do you like this city? And like if you're enjoying this video. So in the end, we decided not to go to the coffee shops, to the restaurants near Eiffel Tower. Maybe they're a bit of a tourist trap, yeah? Like, it's pretty, but way more expensive. So we walked a few minutes, and we sit in a very cute coffee shop, and we're gonna get breakfast. Next stop is Arc de Triomphe. There is a tunnel to go down and to go right where the Arc de Triomphe is. So we're gonna find the tunnel to go down. Usually people go to the Champs-Élysées street to see the Arc de Triomphe, but we got a different spot. And I don't know if you know, but you can go up in the Arc de Triomphe and you can see the Eiffel Tower there. You have a very nice view. So maybe if you cannot go in the Eiffel Tower to have a better view of the Eiffel Tower, it's to go up there. I want to thank my husband for showing me around Paris. The weather is amazing, incredible weather today. Super sunny. And it's very peaceful, very nice, so relaxing. Like, you can just get a book and read, watch Eiffel Tower. It's magical, really. Alright, we did a quick stop. I went to check in the shop the bags, and we were checking also some very fancy shops. I really like the fashion in Paris. is under construction a little bit, but it's fine. I mean, it looks nice, and the vibe in Paris is very nice. It's the place to be, Paris. You must visit this place in Paris, the Passage des Panoramas. It's a really beautiful place with lots of bars, and now we're gonna go to one of these bars. Lunchtime, so we are eating duck. And this restaurant is specialized in duck, only duck. And I'm gonna eat magret de canard with French fries. We love French fries, and we are in France. The food was very delicious. Now we're going to some streets to check out art in Paris, because Paris is a very artistic city. Today I'm taking you to one of my absolutely favorite places where to shop in Paris, Galeria Lafayette. It's a must-visit place for any fashion lover, and it's right in the heart of Paris. From all the luxury brands to also some affordable ones, this place has a lot to offer for everyone. Trust me guys, I can spend the whole day here. It's a bit difficult to just say stop to shopping, but I'm trying. Anyway, I hope that you're liking this vlog, and if you do, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Let me know, what do you think of this gallery? Do you like it? And give it a like. Hey everyone, I'm up in the terrace of the Galleria Lafayette, and I found the perfect spot where to see the whole city of Paris for free. From up here you can get the perfect view of the city without spending a single penny. It's really breathtaking. I mean, let me show you. This is one of my favorite stations in Paris. I mean, it has a lot of art, free art for you to enjoy. It's called Louvre Rivoli. It's very beautiful.
I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
If you're an art lover and if you're in Paris, you must come to 30 Artist Studio. It's all for free and there are many floors with artists and you can even meet the artists. We actually met a very nice artist there and you can write your own advice. There was one painting. It's really beautiful. Honestly, I really loved it and I think if you're in Paris, you must come here. You won't regret it.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Alright dear friends, this is the end of the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm closing it in front of Louis Vuitton, behind me. I want to say that I really enjoy my time here in Paris and I hope this vlog was useful for you. Until the next time, bye! P.S. If you don't follow me, please make sure to give a subscribe button down below and comment, let me know what do you think of Paris. See you the next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Bye bye.